Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put together this patio set. It's really rather simple. You just gotta follow the directions, look at the numbers, there's stickers on most of them. If not, you just look at the picture. You're gonna use bolts. There's three sizes, A, B, and C. There's one long A, and then there's a bunch of B's and a bunch of C's. It shows them on the instructions exactly how many. So you just gotta basically use a ratchet for each one. It comes with the Allen key, the Allen key and the ratchet. So you just use one on either side, and you always make sure it's flush, in each direction. And you just follow the directions. You just gotta walk through it slowly. There's two configurations if you want the chase to be the left side or the right side. So just make sure in the beginning, just pick out the papers for the right or the left side. And look at the pictures to make sure you're not mixing up what's right and left. And then you just do it, and you see how it works. You just take the bolt, you put a washer on one side, put the washer on the other side, and you put a nut on it, and then you just tighten it. You could use the included Allen key and wrench to hold it, or what I did a lot of times once I got the hang of it, I just used my DeWalt drill super carefully. You don't want to over tighten it. You'll end up stripping the bolts out, but you just do it slowly just to save time and not wear out your hand. So you can see how you just do one by one. I always start by hand tightening each one, make sure everything's lined up perfectly, and then afterwards I go back and make them tighter. So let me just I'll let you watch. If you have questions, feel free to comment on my video, and I could try to help you out. It's really important to make sure everything's lined up, because once you tighten it, you can't really adjust anything, because you're gonna have to untighten a bunch of steps. So you can see over here, I already put them in and started hand tightening them a little, and then I'm just tightening it with my wrench very carefully, with my drill very slowly and carefully. Over here, this part's a little tricky. So you can see over here, after everything's lined up, this is where you're connecting the two parts. So you connect the first one part, then the other part. Make sure you're lining it all up. And there's this metal brackets that you put in for extra support. There's two of them, and one goes on the bottom half, and one's going to go on the top half of here, this T-shaped one. So this one on the bottom part is where you're going to use that A bolt. It's the longer bolt that goes through, and then on the top you're going to use the where that T is, you're going to use the C bolts. Those are the shorter ones that screw into it. They don't have a nut on the other side. So just make sure to get each one. And over here, this is the coffee table. So it comes in two parts, a bunch of C-bolts, and then on top you can see it's got these suction cups. That's where you rest the glass on it, so that makes sure the glass doesn't slide off of it. So over here you can see it all set up, and then you take out the cushions and put those on. So I'll just show you all set up, and this is with chase on that side, and then you put the cushions on, and you put your glass on top, and then it's all set up. It's a gorgeous set, and hopefully it'll last a real long time. Really enjoyed it, and it only took me a half hour or so to put together. Thanks for watching my video.